It's that time of year again.
What time is that?
Our 14th annual Meatless May challenge.
What's different this year?
I'm glad you asked. This year we will be expanding the emphasis to multiple platforms, not just on our website and YouTube. We'll have platform-specific emphasis.
What should people do to get ready?
Well, every year we recommend that they take the week before May 1st to go through their kitchen and get rid or put in storage any food products that's against the goal of the challenge, to do a detox, and fast, and pray. Don't forget to consult your primary care physician before modifying your regular diet. And for believers, to consult the great physician for help to be good stewards of the body temple.
For those who've never been a part of the experience, what can they look forward to?
Our major emphasis is for persons to sign the pledge to commit to 1 week, 4 Mondays out of the month, or the entire 31 days to give up flesh food and other unhealthy practices. Video shorts highlighting the health benefits of healthy living, encouraging persons to share their health journey, tons of resources, and so much more.
How can the viewer learn more?
The description box below has all the details. Welcome to the official The Vegan Lifestyle 2025 Meatless May, a call to return to Eden.